In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online tutorial, categorizing downloaded transactions. QuickBooks Online is an excellent tool for managing your business finances, and one of its most powerful features is the ability to categorize your bank transactions easily. By organizing these transactions correctly, you can ensure your financial records are accurate and up to date. If you're new to QuickBooks Online or haven't yet connected your bank accounts, don't worry, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can start managing your transactions like a pro. And if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive right in. First, head over to the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on Transactions. Once you're there, open up the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you'll do most of your work when it comes to managing and categorizing your bank activity. Next, you'll need to decide how you want to bring your transactions into QuickBooks. If you want to connect QuickBooks directly to your bank for automatic updates, click on Link Account. This option allows QuickBooks to pull in your new transactions automatically, saving you time in the long run. On the other hand, if you've already downloaded a file of transactions from your bank, you can choose the Upload File option to manually import that file into QuickBooks. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete your import process, and you'll be ready to move forward. Once your transactions are imported, you'll be able to locate them in the Bank Transactions tab. They'll appear in a list ready for you to review and categorize. To get started, click on any transaction to open its details. This will allow you to take a closer look at the information for that specific transaction. Now, focus on the field labeled Account. This is where you'll assign the right category for the transaction. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see a list of categories to choose from. Select the category that best matches the purpose of the transaction, whether it's office supplies, utilities, advertising, or something else. If you don't see the appropriate category listed, that's okay. You can add a new category right there to better fit your needs. Before you save the transaction, take a moment to review its details. Double-check that the description and the amount match what's shown on your bank statement. This ensures that everything is accurate before moving the transaction out of the review list. Once you're satisfied, click Add in the bottom right corner to save your changes. The transaction will now be categorized and removed from the list of items that require your review. You'll want to repeat this process for each transaction in your list. Open the transaction, assign the correct category under the account field, review the details, and click Add to save it. It's a simple and efficient way to work through your transactions one by one. As you continue, remember to use consistent categories for similar transactions. For example, if you categorize one office supply purchase under supplies, make sure you use that same category for similar purchases in the future. This consistency will make it much easier to keep your records organized and generate accurate financial reports later on. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to categorize all of your downloaded transactions in QuickBooks Online quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.